The third trimester is the last phase of pregnancy. It usually lasts from week 29 to week 40 or month 7, 8, 9. During this trimester, the baby grows, develops simultaneously, and gets ready in preparation for birth. It changes its position in preparation for birth. Once you've reached this stage, you've got only a few weeks left. But this trimester is usually the most challenging stage in pregnancy. Let me introduce you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Vicenzio here, and this is Vicenzio's Corner. In this video, I am going to be telling you the 10 highlights of my third trimester symptoms in my pregnancy journey. So with me, I have my jotter as usual. You guys know I write a lot, I jot down things. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys my third trimester symptoms, like the most the highlights, the most important one. I'm not talking about all general symptoms. I'm going to share with you my own personal highlights, the one I highlighted that okay, these are the ogbonge. So you guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe so you get notified, as well as click the notification button so you get notified each time I upload a new video. Click the like button so my video gets to wider audience. So, number one symptoms I'm going to be talking about in this video is backache and body ache. You guys, I cannot overemphasize, like back pain. You know, at this stage, at third trimester, the breast get fuller, and that will brings me to my second point. My breast is more fuller now, and it is drawing me forward while my back gets in, which causes back pain. And of course, the body pain I'm talking about, my left side, because I'm usually sleeping mostly on my left side, because I read that online. And of course, people talks about it a lot, that you sleep mostly on your left hand side in pregnancy. That way it doesn't affect the baby and all of that stuff. So my second point is heavy breast and leaking. Like third trimester, like the breast start leaking I think towards the middle of second trimester or thereabout. So now it leaks the more, and of course you guys know what I'm talking about. So another point I'll be talking about is short breath. Oh my goodness, I have short breath. In fact, from the beginning of this trimester, I think it started about towards the end of second trimester or thereabout. But oh my goodness, shortness of breath at this third trimester is a whole lot. Like it is shock. So number 4 symptoms I'm going to be talking about is painful kicks. My goodness sake, like the kicks that we are enjoying in second trimester, it gets to third trimester more. The kicks they can be discomforting. Like it doesn't come with comfort anymore. Like the kicks are like they are not convenient. They are getting more painful. Like, you know, for the most part, the stomach is stretching. So you kicking, the baby kicking now is not coming with comfort. Like it is not I don't even know how to put it. Like it is not sweating enough. Like it is getting more painful and all of that. Heartburn, another thing I'm talking about is heartburn. Oh my goodness, like if I drink water now and in the next 20 minutes in the next few minutes I'll be feeling like I've drank water since like last year. That's how it feels. Like the heartburn is not from this planet. Another point I'll be talking about is dizziness. Oh my goodness, like dizziness. Like if you've seen my video, I don't know if the video would have come up before now. The video I filmed my antenatal experience. Like if you check my dress, you see water all over me. Like I got dizzy. I got dizzy at the antenatal. Like they started pouring water on my head. It is that bad. Like I'm okay this minute, and in the next few minutes I got dizzy, and all I need to do is just put something on my head, like put water on my head, and let me just rest for a while, and I'll get over it. muscle pull. Like if I'm sleeping, like I told you earlier, I said I usually sleep on my left part, and before you know it, I get muscle pull and I'll have to change. Like it's either I sit down for a bit and let the blood circulate, and I'll go back to my left position of sleep. So that's how I run it. Once I feel muscle pull, I'm going to just switch my position or just sit down a little bit. Then another point I'll be talking about this third trimester, you know, the wall of my VJJ, like the VJJ, you guys should understand, like my down part, the wall, that wall, it's as if I don't even know, like the wall aches. Like from time to time it aches. Now it get better, and before you know it, it is back again. Like it's actually painful. Like the wall of my VJJ aches me a lot. And another point I'll be talking about is bursting ick contraction. Like you guys, like I'll be feeling like I used to tell my husband, like, are you sure this baby will wait till till the EDD they gave me? Like this kick is not the usual kick. Oh, this kick is feeling like a labor kick. It's funny. Like I usually think like the contraction, like is usually like, how do I explain it? The contraction is usually like something is trying to stretch and it comes back, it stretch and comes back. Like the contraction, I don't know, like it's not a regular symptom. So you know that this symptoms is a deal, like is another thing entirely. Like it is not even amidst the ones you've taken note. Another thing is abdominal thickness. I said that earlier. I said now that we are third trimester, this tummy, the tummy, the womb, the everything that has to do with keeping of the baby is already stretching beyond limits. Like it's stretching. The baby is bigger now. On like first and second trimester, the baby is bigger, so it comes with abdominal pain, it comes with discomfort. Like even if you lay on the bed, you are not just that comfortable. Like aside from my face, my ugly face, these symptoms I'm talking about are like a whole lot. Like the abdominal thickness is not from this planet. Forget about swelling of the face. This one is even okay to some extent, but these ones I'm listing out for you guys. So more it is a whole lot. Like it comes with discomfort. Like this third trimester is like I'm counting down. Like I've started counting down since the beginning of this third trimester. It is not easy. Like hey, pregnancy is not for the weak. Like, and the last but not the least on my list is frequent urination. Like starting from when I got pregnant, like starting from day one, I've started visiting the toilet, the restroom, I started urinating. But this third trimester, or more, this third trimester, last, oh God, the urination is like, let me put it this way, it's like 20 times in an hour, like 20 times in 60 minutes. Like that's how bad it is. Like the most painful part is once you urinate now, just drink water, drink small water, because once I urinate, one thing about me, this is my own personal experience, I don't know, you know, they said there is this saying that two pregnancies are not the same. Like what I feel will be different from what Mrs. A feels, will be different from what Mrs. B feels. So it is totally different, and this is me sharing my own personal experience. Like it might not relate to yours, it might relate to yours, it might be different, it might be the same, but this is me sharing my own personal experience. That's why I listed them out. Once I feel this way, I put it on my jotter. Like that was how I did my first, second, and now this third trimester. That is what I do. So let's go back to the point. Frequent urination, like the most fun part about this third trimester urination, like first, second trimester urination, you urinate normal and you go back to sleep, or you go back to whatever you are doing. But this third trimester, like the urination will not stop coming. Like you urinate now, clean your butt, the next minute, like before you even stand up from the water closet, urination is already coming, like you still urinate, all this small urination that comes after you already urinated, like it can be annoying, like it can be very annoying, like in fact I don't know how to put it, how best to put it. It can be very tiring. Like imagine you enjoying your sleep, like you've closed your eyes, you started enjoying your sleep for about 10 minutes, and urination comes, you have to visit the restroom. Are you visiting the restroom? At least you still try to go back to your sleep. You going back to your sleep, 5 minutes to your sleep again, you want to stand up and urinate, like it is that bad. So you guys, well, fun fact is I can't wait to hold my baby. I can't wait to I can't wait to tell that little baby that do you know what it takes to meet you? Like you guys. So this has what's it called, this has brought me to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching till this stage. If you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting for? Share your opinions with me in the comment section. I would like to read from you, because I know, like I said earlier, there is a saying that 2 pregnancies are not the same. Some people, I have a friend throughout her pregnancy, like from what's it called, trimester 1, 2, 3, she feel nothing, like she feel basic, she was just her normal self. The only thing you see her with is the protruding tummy, like she doesn't feel anything, like oh my goodness. You guys, I don't know, my first and second trimester video vlog would have come up before this, so you guys should know, you guys would understand where I'm coming from. So you guys, like I have some friends, like some people feels nothing during pregnancy, like oh my goodness, I really wish to be one of them. I don't know if my second pregnancy will be like that actually, but this is my first pregnancy. I'm a first time mom in Nigeria. If you are seeing me for the very first time, please share your comments in the share your opinion with me in the comment section. I would like to read from you. And this is me shouting out to trying to conceive mother, TC, how do they call it, like people looking forward to the fruit of their womb. Generally, I am using this opportunity to to bless God, to pray to God that you will definitely see what you are hoping for. You definitely receive your home blessing. I am putting it out there that you guys, before the end of this year, you guys would experience this same feeling with us. Thank you guys for watching, and God will definitely hear your secret prayer. God will answer your secret prayers. You will definitely carry your home baby by the grace of God. So you guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'm going to be seeing you next in my other videos. Bye guys.